Hi, it's Dr. Coyalo, and today I want to go back to the basic definition of technology, which is the tool that helps us do something that otherwise we wouldn't be able to do, or it would be difficult to do. And I want to propose um, magnetic letters as a non digital technology to help us learn how to set intentions and manifest our desires. So it sounds like a research paper title, right? So, anyways, here's the story. So this year, I um, I bought magnetic letters for my room. I bought two packets, and in decorating, I didn't know for sure what I was gonna do with it. In the past, I've used them as like additional assignments for the kids to play around with the letters and create words in Spanish. But in decorating the room, I decided to use one of the boards because I have extra whiteboard space, and I just because I didn't have that many, I had enough to create to form a heart, and I wrote a message the first week that said it was like a welcoming message that said hola, and that was that. So I thought it looked cute, and it went along with decor of the classroom. Then for the second week, I said, all right, so let me I think I chose peace and love, paz y amor. And then the third week, I'm like, all right, let me choose a word. And I thought, you know what? How how about I choose something that that it's meaningful to me as a grown up. Not so much. It's a word in Spanish that the kids could learn, but something that is meaningful to me. So I started thinking of the words, and I remember I chose hoy, which means today. And that week, I was, and the idea, and then I'm sharing it on in social media through on my Instagram stories, right? So on Monday, it became a routine. So on Monday, I take a picture of the of my heart, the intention heart, and I share it in social media. So that week, the intention was to be fully present and to pay attention to today, to the present moment. And I noticed that I was incredibly in the present moment, concentrated that week. I was able to get all my tasks done, and my concentration was strong. So I thought, well, maybe it was just a coincidence. Then the following week, because I choose on Fridays, I chose, I think it was truth, verdad, and with the intention of speaking the truth and seeing the truth. And interestingly enough, information showed up, to me that I had no idea that wasn't looking for, that revealed the truth in different things, and it felt like a theme for the week. So now I'm looking at this letter. I'm like, what is going on here with this intention heart? Maybe there's something to it. Maybe the experts, right, in a spirituality are right about this, setting the intentions. So then I put it to the test, and purposely chose the words, and so then I think I chose faith, fe, and now for next week I chose risa, to laugh. So it made me think of setting intentions. So this is something that has been always complicated for me, like a little complex. So you know, is it wishful thinking? How come some things, actually happen and some other things don't happen? And it's hard. But with this exercise that I didn't intend to do, what I'm noticing is that in what in putting together what I've read and my experience, I think that maybe because they're magnetic, so there's an attraction there. I don't know, something crazy. But I think the idea that it is posted, that I have the intention that it's something that I want to achieve. So for the week, so I want this week to be full of peace, or be full of truth, or be full of faith, or of laughter. I don't want to take myself seriously. I want to laugh at everything. So this is something that I want. I'm making the word with these letters, and they're posted. And either I look at them intentionally or I just glance at them like dozens of times a day because I spend right my day in the classroom. So I look at it and I think as I'm looking at it, it's processing like it's a reminder. Make sure to stay in the present moment, make sure to have faith, make sure to laugh, whatever the case may be. So that is how I think I'm manifesting that intention. Just like what is it, the vision boards, right? Where you take pictures. I've never been good at those. You take pictures um, and you put them together. You have them visually. Nowadays, there's even apps for that, but you have to look at it. So, but with my intention at heart, it's there. I can't escape it. Like, there's no walk around. Inevitably, I will look at it. So I think that that's why it's working, and it's interesting because these letters, otherwise I wouldn't pay attention. Otherwise, I would have trouble concentrating on my specific goals as a person or to get through the day. So these letters are serving as a technology for me to remember what my intention is, and help me understand my thought process when I want to do something or when I want to acquire something or work on something, and to get the focus back on that. So by being colorful, pretty, and being posted. So in that sense, this is a non-digital technology, the magnetic letters that are helping me do something that otherwise I couldn't do as easily. Okay, so I'll leave you with that, and get some magnetic letters if the vision boards don't work, and try it out. Bye.